Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're so glad to have you join us today. In today's video, we'll be discussing 3 essential steps to land a project manager entering role in the UK. Okay, so we've had clients reach out to us, people in project management field, fresh graduates looking out for entering level roles, and it's been like a tough one for them. Okay, so this video is just going to be addressing steps they can take to clinch that entering project management role. Okay, so let's dive into the video. Number one step would be meet the basic requirements. So there are basic requirements for every project management role. So some of those requirements are to have a degree, to have a university degree. It could be in any field, but importantly, you need to have a degree. Another requirement would be to have a project management certifications, certifications in Prince 2, certification in Agile, certifications in Scrum, and so on. You can check out more you can Google more and check out more certifications that you need to acquire as a project manager. So another requirement would be to have necessary experience. So by necessary experience, it doesn't really mean like a full-time working experience. And we're talking about the likes of internships and voluntary work. Okay, so this actually gives you like an edge, gives you an advantage. It shows in your CV that you've done internship as a project manager to show that yes, you are ready to take up roles and entering roles. And also these certifications and degrees should be highlighted in your CV and your cover letter. It needs to be there for if you're going to be applying for an entry project management role. Step number 2 is to develop essential skills. So as a project manager, there are essential skills that are required of you. So we're just going to be looking at some of the skills, and you look at the ones you have, the ones you need to go and work on. So let's take a look at strong communication and leadership skills. This is a very, very important skills for you as a project manager. Okay, so another one will be looking at your ability to plan, organize, and prioritize tasks. Because as a project manager, you're going to be getting a lot of tasks, a lot of projects. So you need to be able to plan, analyze, organize them, and be able to execute them timely. So we'll be taking a look at another skills, which is risk management and problem solving. These cannot be overemphasized. It is very, very, very important. Like every skills I've mentioned are very important, and these are skills that as a project manager you really need to acquire, you really need to get, you really need to have them. Another one would be familiarity with your project manager tools. There are basic tools that you use as a project manager, and some of these would be your Asana, Trello. You need to be hands-on on these tools, be able to use them very well to be able to clinch a project manager entry level role. So let's go to step number 3, build strong network. See, networking is very important. If as a project manager, you do not have a LinkedIn profile, this is the time you need to go and open a LinkedIn profile. So networking is very important as a job seeker. You need to be able to network very well. So one of the places you can network will be industry events. So it's important you attend industry events. It's important you join project management groups like the APM and the PMI. It's good you also collaborate with other project managers, network with them. You'd never know. There's so many opportunities that are being shared when you are with your fellow project managers. And I hope with these 3 steps, you'll be able to increase your chances of clinching a project manager entering role. But if you do need assistance on how to get started on this career path, We at Scalable Hire, we are here to give you the much needed assistance. We are here to guide you all the way from crafting a well-tailored CV for you, ATS friendly CV, to putting out optimized applications on your behalf. It doesn't just end there. We get to also guide you through your interview stages. These and more services we offer. So you can always send us a DM to get started with you on your career journey. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more career tips and tips on how to clinch a sponsorship role in the UK. See you in our next video. Bye.